Good morning, children. I am your puja teacher, and today I am sitting in a jungle. Shh, don't make noise because this jungle is full of wild animals. Yes, today I am going to show you some wild animals. Do you know who are wild animals? Wild animals are animals that cannot be domesticated. You cannot keep them at your home as a pet. आप उसको अपने घर में पालतू जानवर की तरह नहीं रख सकते. Some of them are very ferocious. उनमें से कुछ wild animals बहुत खूंखार होते हैं. And they do not depend on us for food, water and shelter. जितने भी वाइल्ड एनिमल्स हैं वो हम इंसानों पे डिपेंड नहीं करते कि हम उनको फूड प्रोवाइड कराएं, हम उनके लिए शेल्टर बनाएं, है ना. दे डू नॉट डिपेंड ऑन अस. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू show you some wild animals. So listen very carefully, sit attentively and shh, don't make noise. I'm going to show you one by one. This is our first wild animal. It's a tiger. Tiger belongs to the animal kingdom. Tiger eats only flesh. Tiger eats only meat. So it is called as carnivorous animal. ऐसे एनिमल जो दूसरे जानवरों को मार के खाते हैं उन्हें हम कार्निवोरस एनिमल बोलते हैं. The sound of the tiger is called as a roar. Baby tiger is called as a cub. Tiger belongs to a cat family. इन्हें big cat भी बोलते हैं. They are also known as big cats. And the female tiger is called tigress. Tiger lives in dense forest. Tigers घने जंगलों में रहते हैं और टाइगर के घर को बोलते हैं केव, गुफा. टाइगर्स गुफा में रहते हैं. So this is tiger. Don't make noise. Shh. So children, our next wild animal is a zebra. And zebras are special black and white striped coats. Yes, there are black and white lines on zebra's body. Zebras are famous for their heights. Yes, they are very heighted. And they have 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, count with me. How many legs zebra has? Zebra have 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it has 2 eyes, 2 ears, 1 mouth and 1 tail like other animals. Okay, and zebras are herbivorous. Do you know who are herbivorous? Animals who eat plants and leaves are called herbivorous and they cannot eat meat. So, this is our wild friend zebra. Do you know which animal is this? It's a fox. Yes, it looks like a dog, na? Yes, because foxes belongs to dog family. A female fox is called a vixen and male fox is called a dog fox. Baby foxes are called pups and they are very friendly with humans. They do not harm us. They do not harm humans. And they are known to be friendly and curious. And they love to play with balls. Just like you and me, foxes also loves to play with balls. And they are carnivorous. Yes, because fox also eats flesh. ये भी मांस खाते हैं इसलिए हम इन्हें भी carnivorous बोलते हैं. Hey children, now we are going to see one very cute little deer. Yes, this animal is called deer. Deers are herbivorous and which means they won't consume meat. And do you know something? They have white patches all over the body. So they look very attractive. They have 4 legs and 1 small tail. Male deer is known as buck or stag and female deer is known as a doe. Baby deer is known as a fawn and deers bleat. Okay, they bleat like goats. They make bleating sound. You know which wild animal is this? Yes, it's a hippopotamus. Hippopotamus are also known as river horse. Hippopotamus are also known as river horse because they spend a large amount of time in water such as rivers, lakes and swamps. Resting in water helps keep hippopotamus temperature down. And do you know something? Hippopotamus give birth in water. इनके जो बेबीज हैं ये भी वाटर के अंदर होते हैं. Hippopotamus have short legs, a huge mouth and a body shaped like a barrel. And do you know they have close relationship with whales and dolphins? Yes, they are water babies because they love to spend their most of the time in water. Now next animal is a bear. Yes, it's a bear. Bear is a wild animal. The bear has 4 legs, 2 ears, a nose and a short tail. Bears can stand easily on their 2 rear legs. Their nails are very strong and sharp. And bears are carnivorous animals because they also eat flesh. They love to eat fish and honey, so they climb trees very easily. Bears can also swim in water. So it's a bear. So children, this next animal is a giraffe. Yes, giraffe is the tallest animal. Do you know it has a long neck? I am a chi for giraffe. I have long neck. I am chi for giraffe. I have long neck. So it's a giraffe and you can find them in open grasslands full of shrubs and trees because they are herbivorous and they eat lot of green grass and leaves. They are very social animal and they prefer to live in groups. And do you know something? It sounds strange, but a baby giraffe stand in an hour after a birth and start eating food within a week. So quick, na? If you love Disney's The Lion King, you probably love lions too. So here's the big cats, which really looks like royalty. They are very royal, powerful and graceful. These are lions. Okay? And do you know something about lions? Lions spend a lot of time napping and sleeping. They can sleep for 20 hours each day. Okay? And you know who are hunters? Female lions are hunters. They hunt food for male lions and their families. Okay? Lion has manes and they look so beautiful. Baby lions are called pups. And lions are second largest of all the big cats in the world. Here we have very pretty cool animal and that is a kangaroo. Yes, kangaroos are cool animals. They look little strange and different from other animals. Kangaroos don't walk. Oh no, they jump everywhere. Their bodies are designed for jumping. And baby kangaroo is called as Joey. They can swim and kangaroos are herbivores because they eat leaves and green grass. So this is about kangaroo. Now children, this is very interesting and very sweet animal and this animal is elephants are the largest living land animal. They can't jump and they spend 16 hours a day eating only. They eat and eat. This is the reason why they are so big and heavy. And they travel miles away. They travel in a herd. They are able to communicate with each other over far distances and they can live to be more than 70 years. They have long trunk and they have great memories. So this is a very sweet animal and it is called as elephant. Okay, children, now we are going to learn about one very naughty animal, and that is a monkey. Sound of monkey is whoop, whoop, or monkey chatters. Monkeys have tail and they have unique fingerprints like humans. जैसे हमारी fingerprints है, ऐसे monkeys की भी fingerprint होती हैं. And they are omnivorous. Do you know what is omnivorous? Omnivorous means animal who can eat anything, like herbs also and flesh also. So monkeys are omnivorous. They eat fruits, vegetables, and they can also eat insects. Please welcome our next wild animal, and that is rhinoceros. Rhinoceros means nose horn. So rhinoceros are called rhinoceros because they have small horn on their nose. They are very bulky, they are very heavy, and they are second largest mammal on the land. Rhinoceros have very thick and protective skin, and their body is so large in size, but they have very small brains. इतने बड़े शरीर में छोटा सा दिमाग. Rhinoceros horn is made up of protein and which is called keratin. So they are often hunted by humans for their horns. They are plant eaters. Rhinoceros are herbivorous plant eaters. So that's all for today. Take care and bye for now.